This question says liquid A has a density of 0.7 grams per centimeter cubed. Liquid B has a density of 1.6 grams per centimeter cubed. 140 grams of liquid A and 128 grams of liquid B are mixed to make liquid C. Work out the density of C. Okay, so this is a pretty standard density question. I know it's density because they refer to the density of A and B. They've told us the mass, the weight, the mass of A in grams and the mass of B in grams. And they want us to work out the density of C, which is a mixture of A and B. So I'm going to draw the density equation. I'm going to draw the density triangle here. Density is equal to mass over volume. This is going to prove useful for you. And I'm going to use that to help me think about what I need to do. So for both A and B, I know their densities, 0.7 and 1.6. And for both A and B, I know the masses of a certain amount, 140 and 128. And they tell us that these are mixed together to make a liquid. So I'm going to work out, first of all, the volume of 140 grams of A and the volume of 128 grams of B. Right, combine these volumes together. I know their combined weights. I could just add these two, and then I could use that to help me work out the densities. So let's first of all work out the volume of 140 grams of A. If I'm working out a volume, I cover up V in my density triangle. Volume is mass divided by density. So mass over density, its mass of A for liquid A is 140. Its density is 0.7, so mass over density, 140 divided by 0.7. I could work that out. That's bang on 200, and use a calculator to work that out. For liquid B, remember again, mass over density. Mass is 128. Its density is 1.6, so 128 divided by 1.6. Again, use a calculator. That's 80 centimeter cubed. So the combined volume of both of these divided by their combined masses is going to give me the density, right? I'm going to put my density equation again here, and remember, I need to work out the density of C. So the combined masses, 140 add 128, divided by the combined volumes, 280. Okay, so density of C is mass divided by volume. Here it is. And mass divided by volume is going to be 140 plus 128, their masses, divided by their volumes, 200 plus 80, that's 268 divided by 280, and that gives me 0.957, and that is my answer. This is a somewhat straightforward question. If you're confident with working with density, use the density triangle and read the questions very, very carefully. Make sure you become quite familiar with them.